Okay, since we last filmed a video about these stupid lights that I was sent by a Chinese company, they've mostly quit working. I asked for replacements. They didn't want to give me any. I sent them videos showing that they didn't work right. I said the blind spot monitors don't fit and wasn't too happy with them. So uh, they're garbage. Let's get them out of there. I've got a replacement set of lights that are supposed to work with the blind spot sensors too. Let's go ahead and dig some stuff out here.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith.
These are the crappy Chinese taillights I got to replace mine. Only one side has a reverse light. It knocked out my bottom lights. Most of this side doesn't even work. And then, check this out. This part's all dead. This side is still kind of working except for a few spots. And it made my Oracle lights quit working. It also doesn't have the blind spot wiring developed, but they said that the blind spot worked just fine. Let's go ahead and remove these. Let's go ahead and take these out. 2 8mm bolts. There they are. Junk. So I started to install the blind spot monitor in here, right there, but there's no wiring in this harness to connect it to anything. So these are junk. Let's go ahead and pull out this other side. Here's the other one. And let's put it where it belongs. Nice. Right in the trash bin. Let's show you what we got to replace those. Oracle taillights. I already have the reverse lights in my bumper. Hopefully they'll start to work again. Now that we got these. Let's go ahead and open these up. Okay. Well, you look at that. They actually have the blind spot monitoring built in. So all I gotta do is switch that sensor out from my old one and we'll put it in here. Let me grab some tools. This is for the passenger side. This one's for the driver's side. Let's go ahead and grab that sensor out of this crap one. Look at how much they tried to copy Oracle. Just a rip off. Okay, let's go ahead and switch this out. There's our sensor. Here's your cheap Chinese crap. Oh, darn, it broke. Huh. Wow. So I feel that white crap. Oh, darn it. It broke. All right, I'm going to put this down. Here's our Oracle light. Looks like it has 4 screws to hold that sensor in there. We'll go ahead and pop these out. It's about 10 degrees outside my new house garage. I cannot fit the Gladiator inside it right now. Whoever put the garage door in was a retard, and it doesn't open all the way. So I gotta get that fixed next. Okay. Put one screw down now so you can get it out of there. Nope, of course not. Got it out. Okay. So we just install that like that. Looks like that lines up good. We put our screws back in. Okay. And then we've got our plug-in for our sensor. Just go ahead and push that red part in. I'll clip it in, lock it in. Boom, you're done. Now we gotta do is stick this in, plug it in. It's already got a resistor built in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna zip tie this part here so it's not dangling around. I'll do that real quick. Zip ties. Gonna take all this bundle like that so it's not flopping around. Like that. Use your side cutters. There we go. Ready to go in. Let's put them in. This is our left hand. We'll put in our plug-in up here. Hopefully we get enough reach. Boom. Plug it in. You're just going to slide it in the little holes right there that retain it. Goes in real nice and easy, just like that. And then put in your mounting bolts. That. Good enough. Cool. Those look better. All right. Those look a lot more factory than the other ones. They seem to fit a little better than the other ones did. They're kind of a nice flush mount. They don't stick out like the factory ones do, which is why I broke one. Let's go ahead and see how they work here. Okay, that's pretty easy install. They work better. Yep, they cost me $300 and some odd for those, but the factory ones were, I think, $500 a piece or something, if not more. I have blind spot monitoring back, which is awesome, and all the tail lights are working again, the reverse lights, everything. So somebody says, buy these $200 cheap ass Chinese lights. Don't do it. I got them given to me for free. And here's my review. They were complete junk from the get-go. From the second I installed them, they did not work right. So don't waste your time. If they're free, it's too good to be true. And that's my review of those crappy lights. Oracles, they work much better. Everything fits. They have the wiring set up. You don't have to screw around trying to rewire them. Get the Oracles for your Jeep. Hope you liked that video. Make sure to like and subscribe.